Hello class, today I'll show you how to access your equation editor in Microsoft Word and in Microsoft Excel. So you go to Insert and come over to where you see the equation here. You can click on it that way or go back, go home, go Insert, click on the actual down arrow here and you see all these options, right? The other thing you could do is go back, Insert, the down arrow to the side. You see I have options for equations and you can go more offline and stuff. So this is one of the method of inserting equations. Also, the same option is in Excel. Go to Insert, the same drop down menu here. See the down arrow for equations, and it also give you these options, right? If you are here and you're going to put in equation links and so forth, right? So that is how you can access equations from at least two of your Microsoft products. Thank you.